I'll never forget my first week in a stuffy, un-air-conditioned dorm room, waking up drenched in sweat because the cheap plastic fan I bought just pushed hot air around. Finding a fan that actually cools you down without sounding like a jet engine or taking up half your desk is a massive headache. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best dorm room fans I've rigorously tested to keep you cool, quiet, and sane. Stick around, because the number 1 spot completely changed how I sleep. 7. SwitchBot Smart. When I first brought this into the testing room, I was genuinely intrigued by the promise of a completely wireless, smart home integrated cooling experience. The idea of hauling a battery-powered fan from your desk to your bed without tripping over cords is a huge selling point for cramped dorm life. It has a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that definitely elevates standard dorm decor. And the built-in battery pack means you can even drag it out to a campus picnic if you really want to. However, once the novelty of the battery wore off, the reality of its actual cooling performance started to set in. During my stress tests, especially on those sweltering high humidity days, the airflow simply lacked the aggressive punch you desperately need when your room feels like an absolute sauna. It provides a gentle, pleasant breeze, which is nice if you just want some light circulation while studying, but it heavily struggles to aggressively push the hot, stagnant air out of a stuffy, enclosed room. Then there is the smart functionality itself, which, while cool on paper, often felt like more of a hassle than a convenience. Connecting it to the app and trying to control it via voice commands resulted in noticeable lag, and I frequently found myself just walking over to manually press the buttons instead of waiting for the app to buffer. If you are deeply entrenched in a smart home ecosystem, you might appreciate this, but for a fast-paced college student, it feels needlessly overcomplicated. Ultimately, the SwitchBot finds itself at the bottom of this list because it prioritizes tech gimmicks over raw, unadulterated cooling power. The battery life is decent at moderate speeds, but if you crank it up to the maximum setting trying to get real relief, you will find yourself tethered to the charging cable anyway. It is undeniably a neat gadget, but as a primary survival tool for a hot dorm room, it leaves a lot to be desired. 6. Lasko T42951. If you have ever walked down a college dormitory hallway in early September, you have almost certainly seen one of these standing in the corner of a room. It is a towering, commanding presence that promises to blast a wall of air across your entire living space. I picked this one up because of its sheer popularity and classic design, expecting it to be the ultimate heavy-duty workhorse for those unbearably warm afternoons. The sheer volume of air this tower pushes out is undeniably impressive when you first turn it on. It features 3 distinct speed settings, and even on the lowest option, you can easily feel the breeze from completely across the room. The wide-reaching oscillation sweeps back and forth, providing excellent coverage that can easily reach both you at your desk and your roommate on the top bunk. Plus, the included remote control is a massive lifesaver when you are completely exhausted and refuse to get out of bed to change the speed. But living with this fan day in and day out reveals some glaring structural frustrations. The most immediate issue is the base assembly, which consists of 2 cheap-feeling plastic halves that awkwardly snap together. No matter how tightly I secured them, the entire tower maintained a precarious, unsettling wobble whenever it was oscillating on the highest speed. In a chaotic dorm environment where things are constantly being bumped into, this top-heavy design feels like a disaster waiting to happen. Furthermore, the long-term maintenance of the Lasko is a downright nightmare. The front grills are incredibly narrow and practically act like a magnet for dust, lint, and whatever else is floating around a dorm building. Because there is no easy way to snap the front panel off to clean the internal blades, you are forced to painstakingly vacuum the exterior grooves or use a can of compressed air, which never really gets it fully clean. 5. Honeywell HT900. Do not let the incredibly compact size fool you. This little black fan has earned its reputation as a dorm room staple for a very good reason. When I unboxed this unit, I was initially skeptical that something so small and lightweight could make any meaningful difference in a stuffy environment. But the moment I plugged it in and angled it perfectly, I completely understood the hype surrounding this affordable powerhouse. The secret to the HT900 lies in its aerodynamic turbo design, which focuses the air into a tight, highly directional beam rather than scattering it aimlessly around the room. I tested this by placing it on a windowsill to pull cool evening air inside, and it performed brilliantly, acting like an exhaust engine for my space. The head pivots up to 90 degrees, meaning you can point it directly at the ceiling to create a whole room circulation effect, bouncing the air off the walls and eliminating those terrible hot spots that plague small rooms. What I really appreciate about this Honeywell model is its incredibly consistent and soothing sound profile. While some fans produce a rattling mechanical noise that can drive you absolutely crazy while trying to study, the HT900 generates a deep, rushing white noise that is wonderfully relaxing. I found myself actually looking forward to turning it on at night, as it easily drowned out the obnoxious sounds of loud neighbors and hallway chatter, acting as both a cooling device and an essential sleep aid. For the sheer value it provides, this fan is almost impossible to beat, especially on a tight college budget. It is robust, straightforward, and lacks any complicated touchscreens or fragile remotes that you could easily lose under your bed. While it might not have the sweeping oscillation of a tower fan or the advanced features of premium models, its durability and targeted cooling prowess make it an absolute must-have for anyone who needs reliable, immediate relief right at their desk. Four, Dyson Hot+CoolTM 09. This is an undeniably massive investment for a student, but when I tested its futuristic bladeless design, the premium experience was immediately obvious. It completely eliminates the choppy, buffeting air sensation you get from traditional spinning blades, delivering a beautifully smooth, uninterrupted stream of airflow that feels incredibly refined. The standout feature here is obviously its dual functionality. Dorm rooms are notoriously unpredictable, freezing in the winter and boiling in the early fall. During my testing, the AM09 flipped from a powerful cooling fan to a potent room heater in mere seconds, meaning you are getting a versatile, year-round appliance that absolutely justifies taking up your precious floor space. Dyson's proprietary jet focus control is another absolute game-changer for shared living spaces. I was able to effortlessly switch between a wide, diffused projection to cool down the entire room, or a narrow, long-range stream pointed exactly at my reading chair. This means you can stay perfectly comfortable studying late at night without accidentally freezing out your roommate on the other side of the room. Finally, the complete lack of fast-spinning blades makes this the easiest fan on the entire market to maintain. A quick wipe down with a microfiber cloth, and it looks completely brand new again. Add in the cleverly magnetized remote that rests perfectly on top of the machine and the built-in sleep timer, and you have an incredibly sophisticated piece of technology that turns any cramped, uncomfortable dorm into a high-end, climate-controlled sanctuary. 3. Iris USA Woozoo. When I first saw this spherical, compact little globe, I genuinely underestimated what it was capable of. However, the moment I fired it up, I was absolutely blown away by the sheer air velocity it produces. It sits perfectly on a small dorm desk or a cluttered mic stand without eating up any real estate, yet it performs like a much larger machine. The Woozoo's secret weapon is its mesmerizing multi-directional oscillation. Unlike standard fans that merely pan left and right, this tiny powerhouse moves horizontally and vertically at the exact same time. It creates an incredible figure-8 sweeping pattern that actively pushes stagnant air out of every single corner of a cramped dorm room, ensuring optimal circulation no matter where you are sitting. I extensively tested the natural breeze mode, which flawlessly mimics the feeling of sitting outside on a comfortable, windy day by randomly adjusting the airspeed up and down. It completely prevents that dry eye feeling you often get when a fan blasts you directly in the face for hours on end, keeping your studying environment feeling incredibly fresh and natural. For its incredibly small footprint, the power-to-size ratio of this device is utterly unmatched. It comes with a remarkably handy little remote, runs surprisingly quietly on the lower and medium settings, and has a sleek, modern aesthetic that blends seamlessly into any room decor. It is the absolute perfect desktop companion for those long, grueling midnight study sessions. 2. Shark FlexBreeze. This isn't just a fan, it is a full-blown convertible cooling system designed for ultimate adaptability. With the press of a single button on the back of the neck, I easily snap the main fan head off the tall pedestal stand, instantly transforming it into a low-profile tabletop fan that fits perfectly on a dorm dresser. What truly sets the FlexBreeze apart from the competition is its massive built-in battery system. I tested it completely cord-free, and it lasted well over a day on the lower settings. This means you can effortlessly drag it from your desk, over to your bed, or even out to the campus lawn for an outdoor study session, without ever worrying about finding a nearby wall outlet. While the included InstaCool misting attachment is designed primarily for outdoor patio use, I found the sheer wind power of the main unit to be absolutely staggering indoors. Even from 20 feet away, across a long dorm room, the concentrated stream of air was strong enough to rustle papers on my desk, providing instant, full-body cooling relief. Despite this massive room-filling power, the Shark remains remarkably silent during operation. The overall aesthetic is brilliantly clean, the UV-resistant build feels incredibly durable to the touch, and the complete freedom of going totally cordless makes it an absolute triumph for restrictive dorm living spaces. 1. DREO Tower Fan. After weeks of rigorous testing, this bladeless marvel absolutely obliterated the competition. It represents the perfect storm of hyper-fast cooling, sleek modern aesthetics, and whisper-quiet operation, making it the ultimate, undisputed dorm room necessity. DREO's proprietary velocity technology is genuinely mind-blowing to experience in person. The internal aerodynamic wheel design intakes massive volumes of air and accelerates it out with startling force. Even on a sweltering, humid afternoon, turning this on instantly dropped the perceived temperature in my testing space, flooding the room with a crisp, refreshing chill that ordinary fans just cannot replicate. The acoustic engineering here is what truly seals the deal. Dorms are already noisy enough with slamming doors and loud hallways, but the DREO operates at an impossibly low decibel level. On the dedicated sleep setting, the display panel goes completely dark and the motor falls virtually silent, providing a gentle, consistent cooling draft that guarantees you will never wake up sweating again. With a fully washable rear filter that actually traps dust instead of blowing it into your face, a highly responsive remote, and effortless customization options, it checks every single box imaginable. It is exceptionally stable, incredibly easy to clean, and devastatingly powerful. If you only buy one single thing to survive the brutal college heat, this is absolutely it.